What if one eating style could help you lose weight, boost your energy, and protect your heart, all while enjoying delicious and colorful food? Science says Mediterranean way is the secret. And today I will show you how to make it work in your kitchen. Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to Likita's Foodie Studio, where we turn healthy eating into pure joy. I'm Likita, and if you love practical food tips that actually taste amazing, you're in the right place. Today, let's dive into Mediterranean eating strategies that really work. Mediterranean eating isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle inspired by the world's healthiest regions. According to 2024 research, this way of eating can lower your risk of heart disease and cancer about 23%. That's the big secret, right? It's all about real whole food that bursts with flavor and colors. Mediterranean diet is built on a few simple but powerful principles that emphasizes fresh and natural ingredients. So let's see the pillars of Mediterranean eating one after the other. Olive oil. Switch out butter and refined oil for extra virgin olive. It's rich in healthy fats that reduce inflammation and keep you feeling full. Drizzle it on your salads, use it for sweetening your body, and the taste buds will thank you for that. Aim for fish or seafood that at least twice a week. Even canned sardines or a mackerel are perfect and budget friendly. These are packed with omega 3 for a healthy heart and sharp mind. Fill half of your plate with veggies and fruits. Think about tomatoes, cucumbers, green, and berries. The more color, the more nutrients. These fiber rich food will keep you satisfied and energized. Make legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and kidney beans a regular part of your meal. They're affordable, protein packed, and perfect for cooking styles too. Snack on a handful of nuts or seeds every day. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seed, they help you control hunger and provide healthy fats for glowing skin and steady energy. Ready to get started with practical implementation? Let's try this. Extra virgin olive oil is the cornerstone of Mediterranean cooking. It's not just a cooking fat, it's a superfood. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidant, it helps combat inflammation and keep you feeling full, reducing the urge to snack unnecessarily. Drizzle on salads or roasted vegetables. Use it for substituting instead of butter. Choose cold pressed extra virgin for maximum benefit. Embrace the bounty of the sea. Aim for fish or seafood at least twice a week. These are phenomenal source of omega 3 fatty acids, crucial for heart health and cognitive function. Don't overlook affordable options like canned sardines or mackerel. Excellent source of omega 3. They support heart and brain health, and they are super budget friendly options available in the market. Make fruits and vegetables the stars of your plate. Aim to fill at least half of your plate with a variety of colorful produce. The richer the color, the more diverse the nutrients are. These fiber-rich powerhouse keep you satisfied, energized, and support optimal digestion. More color equals more nutrients. High in fiber for satiety and energy supports digestive health. Make legumes and nuts and seeds like lentils, chickpeas, and kidney beans a regular part of your diet. Snack on a handful of nuts or seeds every day. Almond, walnut, sunflower seeds are a great way to control your hunger and provide healthy fats, which in turn results in glowing skin and steady energy. Use extra virgin olive oil for all your cooking and salad dressings. Add a vibrant fresh salad to your lunch and dinner every day. Choose whole grain rotis or bread over refined versions. Swap chips or sweets for a handful of nuts as you go to snack. Plan to have one fish meal every week, grilled, baked, or in a curry form. Watch out for these common mistakes to avoid. Starting a new eating style can be daunting, but avoiding these common pitfalls will ensure a smoother, more sustainable transition to the Mediterranean lifestyle. Seasonal vegetables, lentils, and canned fish are incredibly affordable and form the backbone of this Mediterranean diet. Don't try to change everything at once. Start with just one Mediterranean inspired meal per day. Even healthy fats and foods need moderation. Pay attention to serving size and to manage calorie intake. Mediterranean eating style is not about achieving perfection overnight. It's about consistent progress. Start small, stay dedicated, and witness the incredible transformation in your energy and health. What Mediterranean dish or ingredient are you most curious about? Which Mediterranean strategy are you most excited to try? Are you a team olive oil or a team nut? Drop your answers in the comments. I would love to read your thoughts. Also, want a full recipe video for a Mediterranean salad or a fish curry? Please comment below. Keep cooking with love and let's make your next meal even more irresistible. Well, if this video gave you new ideas for healthy eating, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more real life food tips and hit the subscribe button and bell button so you don't miss out next recipe or strategy. Thank you so much for watching us. I will see you soon in one more exciting health and wellness video.